Here we go, the unboxing of the RP 4500. Alright, let's dive into this. Here we go, the RP 4500. I haven't had bass in a long time and I am ready to hook it up, man. I only have my fuses in, but I'm still gonna hook it up without the fuses. Which is a fucking dumb idea, don't ever do that, but I haven't had bass in a long ass time. I don't have time to wait for the fuses to come in the mail. Freak. I would open it for y'all, but I don't have time for that. I'm ready to hook this up now. Like, I'm ready to get this playing ASAP. This should have better sound quality than the RP2K and lower. You know, with that RP2K amp, I had freaking bad luck with the sound quality. You know, people been telling me that RP3500 and the RP4500 has way better sound quality than the lower class RP series, like the 2000 and below. But anyways, let me stop blabbing. Let me get this thing hooked up. Alright, stay tuned for the full review of the Skar Audio amp. I already have it hooked up to my truck, and it's looking very, very promising, so please stay tuned for the full review. This was a temporary amp. The JL Audio amp was just a little temporary amp until I got the Skar Audio amp in the mail. Anyways, I will catch y'all next time. Peace.